Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Kitfort KT-3671 sandwich maker, a compact and convenient kitchen appliance designed to make quick and delicious hot sandwiches at home. If you enjoy crispy toast, melted cheese, and fast homemade snacks, this device could become one of your favorite kitchen helpers. The Kitfort KT-3671 features a stylish black and silver design that looks modern and fits nicely into almost any kitchen interior. Its compact size also makes storage very easy, even in smaller kitchens. One of the main advantages of the sandwich maker is its fast heating system. Within just a few minutes, you can prepare hot sandwiches, toasted bread, or simple snacks for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The non-stick cooking plates help prevent food from sticking and make cleaning much easier after cooking. You can also use less oil, making meals a little healthier while still getting crispy and golden results. Another great feature is its simple operation. Just place your ingredients inside, close the lid, and let the appliance do the work. It's convenient even for beginners or busy mornings when you need something quick and tasty. This sandwich maker is perfect for preparing classic cheese sandwiches, ham toasties, vegetable snacks, or even sweet dessert sandwiches. Overall, the Kitfort KT-3671 is a practical and affordable kitchen appliance that combines convenience, speed, and delicious cooking results in one compact device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.